Hello. So today I'm here to teach you how to make a natural cough medicine for cough. So far, this mixture has helped many of my friends who have told me that they coughed many months and they just couldn't get well. So I gave them this leaf. It's actually from my mom and my aunties. My mom planted this a lot at her home and she gave me some to plant. I'll show you my crop later. This is called lemon Chinese leaves, or the Indians call it, I think, mint leaves, peppermint or mint, Indian peppermint leaves. And this bark here is called licorice bark. You can get it from the Chinese medicinal hall. And what we usually do is we wash the leaves and we put seven leaves into a cup with 2 licorice sticks. Push it down because I'm going to close it later. And you put hot water inside. It tastes like peppermint. It smells like peppermint. Then you close it for a while. And then you drink it after. Hello, I'm back. So after like a few minutes, you are soaking. And then you can sip. It tastes like peppermint. And it tastes like normal tea. So you can do this in the morning. Best to do it in the morning, and then you keep refilling with hot water with the same batch until the evening, and then do it for 2 to 3 days, and then you will realize your cough will go away. So far have 2 live testimonies, friends of mine who have been coughing for many months, and when I asked them to try this, some only take 2 times. I have one friend who actually took the whole plant back to Sabah because it really helped her with her cough. So if you need the plant, DM me. I will plant some for you so that you can plant. It's very easy to grow. Happy trying, and let me know if you need help. Bye.